everyone, I am Arush Dikshit and we are watching Connect Tech Arush English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today we are continuing our Python series and this is our part 15, and this video will be very important because in this video I am going to tell you how can you practice your Python skills that you have studied, and we will do some assignments questions. So let's go to our computer screen and get started. So here I have created my GitHub with a repository of Python codes. From when you will go at this URL, I will provide you this URL, or you can type that manually in your browser. So when you will open this URL, you will see an interface like this. You can click on this code button, then click on local, then HTTPS, then copy this URL. After that, if you have installed the GitHub, if you have installed Git, then you can simply go to git bash and open the folder where you want to clone the repository and code. And when you will go with cd and the path to directory, you will see that, and when you can, and after that you can type here git clone. The URL that you will get from here, copy this, paste that here and press enter. The URL will be cloned in your computer. And by the way, I will write the instructions in my readme file, so don't worry, you can get this from there also. I will update this in readme also. So for practicing your Python skills, you can click on tutorial 15. And write python assignments.py, and when you will run this thing, you will see the interface, and you will see get into quiz of Python, and then there will be a gap, then you will see questions and you will write the answer. Remember that you have to write the index for the answer, not write the answer manually. So that's why I have given you the option so that you can just write the numbers for that. So that's it guys. This is I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.